The law of attraction. Whether we realize it or not, we're all already manifesting our life experience. The law of attraction is as real as the law of gravity. And both laws operate in our reality 24/7, no matter what we currently believe about them. Gravity is clearly more accepted because we've just come to accept from generation to generation that what goes up in this physical world must come down. Amazingly, human beings have learned over the years how to maximize and leverage the law of gravity. And because of that, we can fly halfway around the globe in less than 20 hours. A miracle by all standards 100 years ago. Just like the law of gravity, we can learn how to maximize and leverage the law of attraction to powerfully manifest and create the life of our dreams. All it takes is practice and the knowledge of which tools to apply. At this point, you may be thinking, well, okay then. Tell me what I need to know and what to do so I can finally start making the law of attraction work for me. Well, if you watch to the end of this video, you'll discover the simple key to manifesting anything you want in your life. And as a thank you for watching this whole video to the end, you will receive a token of my appreciation, a way of helping you kickstart your adventure of co-creating with the universe to manifest the life of your dreams. Simply stated, the law of attraction means like attracts like, and what this specifically means is anything with a certain energetic frequency or vibration attracts other things of similar energetic frequencies or vibrations. You may be saying, what does this have to do with manifesting what I want? Well, I'm glad you asked. There's a very simple yet important truth behind every single thing we've ever wanted to manifest. Whether it's a new job, a new car, a new relationship, a healthier mind and body, a new home, traveling to new places, new adventures, new experiences. The number one reason and truth behind every single desire we have is we think we will feel better in having manifested it. We think and we know that we would feel good in our desire of being fulfilled. We think and we know that we would feel happy if what we've wanted for so long would come to fruition in our present reality. Perhaps we'd also feel relief, peace, ease, abundance, feel reassurance, content, confidence, feel strong, love, feel relaxed, joy, satisfaction, feel awesome. How did you feel just now? After a few seconds of simply focusing our attention on emotions that feel good, the law of attraction operated automatically to create more of the same type of good feeling emotions. This in turn creates momentum towards the good feeling or positive end of the energetic frequency and vibrational spectrum. If you keep focusing on good feeling thoughts for a prolonged period of time, you'll continue generating the manifestation of good feelings, or what some people would call a positive state of being. To be even more accurate, you could describe a high level of feeling good with being in a state of alignment with the universe. The bottom line, the better we feel, the more we feel good. The more our state of being is vibrating on the positive feel-good end of the energetic frequency and vibrational spectrum. The more aligned we are with the universe's frequency, which is the ultimate feel-good vibration, the more we manifest what we want in our lives. Why? Because by being more aligned with the universal feel-good frequency, we are in the clearest state of allowing our desires in by leveraging the law of attraction and letting the universe do its creative work. Like attracts like. If, for example, you want to manifest the love of your life, you'll want to focus on how it would feel if the love of your life were already here, physically present with you, sharing and experiencing life with you. What emotions would you be experiencing? Joy, exhilaration, excitement, fun, passion, thankfulness, the list goes on. Imagine your first look, touch, your first kiss, your first knowing that this was the one. That's the magical key to manifestation. Experiencing and focusing on feeling those emotions before the love of your life physically enters your life, before the abundant wealth hits your bank account, before you move into your beautiful new home, before you wear the fit, healthy body you've been creating. But that all sounds backwards, you say. I want my physical manifestation now, and then I'll feel good. Then I'll be happy. And the universe says like attracts like, by virtue of the law of attraction, which, just like the law of gravity, operates 24/7 in our reality. Now, if you're vibrating at the other end of the energetic frequency and vibrational spectrum, meaning the negative feel-bad emotional end of the spectrum, the law of attraction can only bring you similar things in line with that similar frequency. For example, on the same quest of manifesting the love of your life, if you're feeling impatient, frustrated, down, undeserving, not worthy, lonely, cranky, upset, insecure, fearful, the law of attraction can only deliver people and situations to you that emanate that similar energetic frequency as those negative emotions. And so maybe you continue meeting people or being in relationships where you feel these same emotions over and over, therefore simply recreating the same reality again and again. Only when we consciously choose to learn and practice how to vibrate more often on the positive feel-good end of the energetic frequency and vibrational spectrum will we then begin creating and seeing more of the results we want to see. But how can we tell what type of energetic frequency or vibration we currently carry or are emanating out into the universe? The answer? Our emotions. Our emotions are the raw indicators of where we currently stand on the energetic frequency and vibrational scale or spectrum. Just as light energy manifests itself and is interpreted by us as different colors on the visual light spectrum, our emotions are our clear indicators of what type of energy frequency or vibration we're putting out into the universe. How we feel determines the type of signal we're generating, and it is that signal that the universe responds to 24 hours a day, 7 days a week by operation of the law of attraction. Just as the law of gravity is always working to bring anything with mass to a larger center of mass, the law of attraction works just as automatically and just as naturally all the time. So you see, by acknowledging and simply accepting that the law of attraction exists and operates on the premise of like attracts like, you can begin tapping into your own powerful ability to manifest the life of your dreams by learning how to maximize and leverage the law of attraction to co-create whatever you desire in concert with the universe and its infinite powers of creation. Do you ever notice that when you wake up feeling great, the rest of your day follows suit? That's the law of attraction at work. Whether you consciously or subconsciously start off your day on the feel-good end of the emotional spectrum, what you manifest that day will likely follow the great mood you woke up in. By the same token, the phrase, "woke up on the wrong side of the bed," describes a day when a person wakes up in a bad mood, and more often than not, the rest of their day turns out not so great. Because the law of attraction only operates on the premise of like attracts like. Therefore, since the law of attraction operates as it does with like attracts like as its premise, this is why whatever we focus on expands. You may have heard that phrase before, but if you test it, you'll see it's 100% true, no exception. By focusing on feel-good thoughts and things, you can't help but continue to feel better and better. By focusing on negative feeling thoughts and things, you can't help but continue to feel worse and worse. No exception. You may have noticed the law of attraction operating like this. After you've read or watched the news for a prolonged period of time, or stood around the water cooler at work while everyone complained and commiserated together. Well, at first you may experience a bit of a positive surge of energy because you feel unity and togetherness, typically feel-good emotions, with your complaining coworkers, or because while watching the news or checking out current headlines on social media, you feel a positive surge of energy because you feel more informed and knowledgeable, also typically feel-good emotions. Over time, as you focus more and more on the negative complaints or negative news headlines and events going on in the world, you can't help but begin feeling emotions such as frustration, anger, hurt, hopelessness, and because the law of attraction operates on the premise of like attracts like, unless you do something to shift your focus, the law will continue to attract what your energetic frequency and vibration are telling it to attract, merely by the emotion you're putting out into the universe. So does that mean we're doomed to simply float in the vast ocean of our life here on Earth, surfing the randomness of our emotions, so that the universe and the law of attraction can have their way with us? Not at all. In fact, now that you've watched this video, it's quite the opposite. Now that you're aware of what the law of attraction is, how it operates, and what you need to focus on to make the law of attraction work for you, now it's all about practice and learning which tools work best for you to keep you vibrating more often on the feel-good end of the energetic frequency and vibrational spectrum. Or in simpler words, how to keep yourself focused on feel-good emotions. Simple? Yes. Easy? No, unless you're open to continue practicing and learning the art of allowing and the art of becoming aligned with the universe. And that we can help you do. Check out our other videos to explore the variety of powerful tips, tricks, tools, and strategies to leveraging the law of attraction and manifesting the life of your dreams. Now, as mentioned at the start, I want to offer you a token of my appreciation, a gift to help you begin practicing how to focus on vibrating at the feel-good end of the emotional spectrum, so that the law of attraction can get to work for you. First, please remember to like and subscribe to this channel, and then click on the link below for a valuable tool that has helped thousands of people just like you begin tuning in to the frequencies of what you want to manifest. Until the next time, thanks for watching and happy manifesting.